ever get called to read in class, and your brain just completely forgets how to function? Like, bro, I was reading this paragraph perfectly in my head, but the second I say it out loud, my mouth just starts buffering. THTH the cat. Jumped her over the. Now everyone's staring at me like I just invented a new language. And the teacher's over there smiling like, take your time. Ma'am, my time left. My confidence left. Even my soul left. Then you start sweating like you're in a job interview. Your voice starts shaking. Words start disappearing. And your brain's like, good luck, soldier. Finally, you finish reading and sit down like you just survived a war. And the kid next to you goes, bro, that was only 2 sentences. Why did that feel like the hardest exam of my life? And then the teacher's like, okay, who's next? Everybody suddenly becomes Shakespeare in silence. Not me, though. Never again, bro. Never again.